Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup mortgage servicing files with LoanCare, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your LoanCare account. Navigate to the dashboard once logged in. Locate the Servicing tab on the main navigation menu. Click on the Servicing tab to expand your options. Select File Management from the drop-down menu. You will be directed to the File Management interface. Look for the Backup section within this interface. Click on the Backup option to initiate the process. Ensure that you have all relevant files selected for backup. Double-check that you have included all necessary documents. Next, choose your preferred backup destination. You may select cloud storage or local storage options. Once you've selected your destination, click on the Start Backup button. A progress bar will appear, indicating the status of your backup. Wait for the process to complete before proceeding. Once completed, review the confirmation message. Take note of where the files have been backed up for future reference. Log out of your LoanCare account securely. Store any local backups in a safe place. Regularly repeat this process to ensure your files are always updated. Monitor any notifications from LoanCare regarding system updates or changes. Stay informed about best practices for file management and security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.